Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time you're at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you a average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channels. So thanks for your continuous support and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yes, as you know, we always say to always look at your thumbnail, you know. So we're saying to our decent and law-abiding, honest, ethical and compassionate Jamaicans, please stay safe during the hurricane. But remember, zero sympathy for looters. Yeah, man. They are lazy thieves and should be dealt with accordingly. Zero sympathy for the looters. Yeah, man. The thief them, the one them who are plan. We know what go on them thing there, you know. Yeah. You know, during the hurricane now, yeah, man, all them do a plan now for go broke in a people place and all of them things. So we say, yeah, zero sympathy for them when you catch them. Yeah, man. So just be vigilant and don't drop the ball. So a message to all Jamaicans, except the criminal organization supporters them, who, yeah man, they are planning right now for go broke in a people place and them business and can't wait for the hurricane start. Yeah man, just hope, yeah man, I hope we have a bad day. You understand? So to all Jamaicans, as we say, you know, stay safe during the hurricane. Beryl. So to all law-abiding citizens of Jamaica, we extend our heartfelt wishes for your safety during this turbulent time. As Hurricane Beryl approaches our island, yeah man, of course, I mean, Jamaica and them, we understand the challenges and fears that come with such a powerful storm, and we stand with you in solidarity. Please take all necessary precautions to protect yourself, your family, and your property. To all criminal supporters, yes, all criminals, to the criminals and their supporters, yeah man, we have a different message for those who engage in criminal activities and support wrongdoing. We wish you a bad day. Yeah man, we wish you have a bad day. Yeah man, yeah. Who wish you have here? We wish the criminal them have a bad day. Yeah. And we wish you the consequences of your actions, and we meant it. We mean it from the bottom of our hearts. The time has come for justice and accountability. Your actions have harmed our communities, and in this moment of crisis, we hope you face the repercussions of your deeds. So as Hurricane Beryl approach, yeah man, let us come together as a community, support one another, uphold the values of righteousness. Yes man, and stay safe. Together, we can weather the storm and emerge stronger. May the law-abiding citizens remain protected and may justice prevail for those who perpetrate harm. Stay safe during Hurricane Beryl. Vigilance and preparedness are crucial. So Hurricane Beryl, yes, to all our loyal viewers and subscribers in Jamaica and the diaspora, we know that this Hurricane Beryl continue to menace the Caribbean with its powerful force, presenting significant dangers to lives and property as it moves through the region. This unprecedented storm has already wrought havoc across the Windward Islands, and its potential threat to parts of the United States warrant close monitoring and severe preparation. Yeah, so we just hope by it does come on. You see part of them, the people, them, the 6 all cryptocurrency judge them, yeah man. I feel them here this hurricane for going on. Wicked people them that want to take you right back to slavery, but hey, we're not going at with them, you understand? So current status, yeah man, we are getting a current status. Beryl, with winds of 165 miles per hour, is the earliest category 5 hurricane ever recorded in the Atlantic Ocean. So those of you who don't believe in a climate change, well, hey, here, this is the evidence, You can't fight, as wicked as you are, You can't control God, Remember me telling you that, Yeah, man, all of them 6 wicked 5 white people and 1 bossy slave. As wicked as you can't control God, You understand? We're telling you that, Yeah, so despite a slight decrease in intensity, it remained a formidable Category 4 hurricane. Path of destruction. After devastating parts of the Windward Islands, Beryl is expected to impact Jamaica on Wednesday. That's how which part we born, That's how we neighbor string cut. And no matter which way we're going in the world, we are still Jamaican, I mean. No guy can't take that from me, because we are Jamaican. And we have a birth certificate too. No guy can't, yeah, we have it. We have a birth certificate. So with significant risk of torrential rain, flooding, mudslides, damaging winds, and storm surges, potential U.S. impact. While the Atlantic coast of the U.S. is clear of Beryl direct effect, the Texas Gulf Coast faces increases chance of impact. Texans should stay vigilant and prepare for a potential landfall. Hey, may I tell you, some white people wicked, You have a man a cripple, man. I might governor of Texas now. Wicked this man that America, Imagine if all of them man in the cripple Rasta. May I tell you, Boy, I tell you, man, the man don't believe in a God, man. They wicked like what? The man in a wheelchair and the man wicked. You understand? But God a God, So I just saw it go, We believe in a God, So no care when a guy can't do more on him time, You understand? Yeah, so Beryl, so Beryl, head towards Jamaica. So you understand? So we have immediate concern, personal safety and property protection for our viewers and subscribers and the Jamaican people. As we say, we want all of the bad people, the criminal in Jamaica, to have a bad day when Beryl. I mean, that's how it go. We want God to take care of them. Hey man, see it. So as Beryl advances, it is crucial for everyone in its part to prioritize safety and take all necessary precautions. 1. Evacuation plans. Ensure you have a clear evacuation plan. Know your routes and have an emergency kit ready. Your flashlight, have all of your snack, your bars and all of them things where you can eat and 1 and 2 little things. Yeah, secure your property, reinforce windows and doors, and secure outdoor items to prevent damage from strong winds. Stock essentials, yeah, so make sure you have enough food. Yeah man, we are talking to all of members of the Jamaica Young Police. Make sure you have food and all of these things. Water. You have to buy a bottle of water, because look here, our water we used to drink out of pipe in Jamaica, Everything where America do, Jamaica follow. We don't need to stop. All we stay as a poor, a third world country, I buy water. When we have the best water in the world. You understand? If you ever drink all when I talk about Portmore water, and it kind of, Portmore water because kind of different, man. No matter what time of day or night, it always hot, May I tell you, come like a desert rasta. But you see, like all when you go, like all Bagua, Linstead, Bovrocks and them places, them the water they cool and nice. Me I tell you, yeah man, believe you me. What you mean? Yeah man. So as we are telling you, sir, secure your property. Yeah, secure your property. Reinforce windows and door and secure outdoor items to prevent damage from strong winds. Remember that, you know, and you know, remember your whole heap of food. I will tell you about the water already. Hey, you just need a jug of water. You don't need a bucket of water. If you build up the people, them are Barbados and Trinidad and them thing there. I don't them a turning in there, you know. Oh, we reach all the point now. I see Jamaican and walk with buckle of water. I don't know that, you know. I Jamaica, I not buying a bucket of water and them thing there. Because I know if I bucket of water, them, the pipe water is still cleaner than the bucket of water. So make sure, you know, community vigilance, preventing looting. In the aftermath of such powerful storms, community must band together to protect themselves from natural elements and those who might exploit the situation. Looting can exacerbate the chaos and suffering during disaster recovery. So here are some steps to safeguard against this threat. Community watch. Establish neighborhood watch group to monitor suspicious activities. So like all the community them like Langsville and all of these places where you have whole heap of police and soldier and fireman live, you know, band together and yeah, to prevent outsiders. Hey, any guy come from outside and I want to know them, yeah man, straight, you know where we're talking already and them thing there. Cause you know say a lot them a come for loud. Yeah. You understand? Report suspicious behavior. No, people are going to need the police more than ever. You know? You see all the business places, them like the warehouse, them where people store them thing and them product and now, you know, and now them need the police, them, you know, and security guard. And, you know, so somebody guard them a thief too and them thing there, you know. I tell you, you know, I just say it going up. Yeah. So, you know, remember, you know, support the police, them, the law enforcement officers, them, cooperate with law enforcement, you know, and maintain order and protect property. Yeah man, show zero tolerance to looters. Looters are thief. Them lazy, them don't like work. Yeah man, them always out stand up at any pathway or the lane and dig out the man mingle with. When them call it special, yeah man, give them a special send off. Yeah man, straight to the departure lounge. So it is essential to adopt a firm stance against looting. Show zero sympathy, no sympathy for those who seek to take advantage of vulnerable situations. Their actions cause further harm and delay the recovery process for everyone affected. Preparing for Beryl's arrival in Jamaica and beyond. With its dense population, Jamaica faces a high risk for Hurricane Beryl. All preparations should be completed by Tuesday night. So if you're not finished early, in a problem as the storm condition will worsen rapidly by Wednesday morning. Destructive winds, life-threatening flooding, and storm surges are expected, broader impact and long-term considerations. Lesser Antilles, another tropical system is forming and may soon impact the Windward Islands. So when a guy talk about saying no climate change no exists, I decide climate change because them things never happen, you know. You understand? So another tropical system is forming and may soon impact the Windward Islands, compounding the damage inflicted by Beryl, recovery and reconstruction. The road to recovery will be long and significant efforts will be needed to restore infrastructure and support displaced residents. Hurricane Beryl unprecedented strength and destructive potential are a stark reminder of the power of nature. As we brace for its impact, let us remain vigilant, prepared and united. Protecting our communities from both the storm and the opportunistic looters is paramount. Together, we can weather this storm and emerge stronger. Stay safe, stay informed, and take action now to safeguard lives and property. So, understanding the signs of our times. A call for reflection and action. So, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, you know, we recently received an impassioned call from a Rastafarian brother who shared his perspective on Hurricane Beryl's early arrival in July 2024. So according to the Rastaman, according to him, Jah, which is God, is expressing his divine displeasure with the wickedness prevailing in the world, particularly as a warning to the people of Jamaica. I know we know, because we know, I Rasta man, I share him thing. So a message from Jah, him said, divine retribution and reflection. So the Rasta man now, him believe that the early hurricane is a form of divine retribution, aim at reminding Jamaicans to stay true to righteousness and resist the influences of wickedness. And the Rasta man I say, yeah, and the reason why him say it's all about the things that upside, up and down and out and all them things, and how black people in Jamaica, how they don't normalize wickedness. And him say, boy, him see all in the ghetto, in a Kingston 13, him say youths are dressed up like girl with beard and a go on and a gallivant and people are laugh like a joke. And him say God, him say Jah vex them thing there. Oh, we get Americanized, I follow them. You understand? When we celebrate all of them, man, I tell the youth them about this year month and June of this month and June of that the month. You must say fire. Yeah, man, fire upon all of them people. I tell you, I come indoctrinate the youth them in a European behavior. We are black people. Yeah, we come from Africa. Although we lose the name, but we never lose the culture. And him say you have the artists them like Spice, the Sensia, the Pampotier. Yeah. And him say all the idiot one when name's King or Speng and the Popcorn and all of them fool and the Valiant that they not teach you them nothing. And that we got Jah vex about. And him say, boy, give thanks and praise to someone like Everton Blender and them, man. They were still true to Rasta. And him say, yeah, I'm big up Junior Reid too. Him say, no man no perfect. And him say, boy, him no believe, say boy, what with Junior Reid and Sandakan. Junior Reid deliberately give Sandakan him passport. He must say, boy, remember say I get where you come from and I support her. You know it go. And the man they live round the way you want the man for do. If the man come and say, boy, I'm have to give him it. The only thing the man could have do after that, and even if him tell the police them say, boy, I bad the man, bad him up, them not gonna believe him because that's where him come from. I just saw it go. And you understand? You know it going to get a talk and them kill you, talk and dead, and keep your mouth and live. Yeah, so the Rasta man point out the storm timing coincide then with the American celebration of the 4th of July. A day that marks up evil and suffering of black lives due to historical injustice. It's not a coincidence but divine message. So I must say all black people at Jamaica now, them get them get lost. Them way that's all Jamaican. I celebrate the 4th of July and got vexed. Him said Jah vex. That's why we get the hurricane of Jamaica because John want black people I celebrate that a wicked day because that's when time the black terror, that's when the terrorism start to unleash on black people. Him say the 4th of July was the white man in America free. The black man remain in a bondage and slavery and wickedness, lynching, all of the wickedness. And through all of our concentration camp. I must say black people, them educate with people at Jamaica and make them like dummy. How we are celebrate. I must say Rasta bonfire upon the 4th of July. You understand? So our Rastafarian brother has also highlighted the current state of affairs in the United States, where certain decisions by the Supreme Court made by those who claim to be Christian are further marginalized black people. He emphasized that these individuals are not true Christians, but perpetrate wickedness in their action. A call to Jamaicans uphold goodness and reject wickedness. A Rastaman I said this, So in light of these reflections, the message is clear. Jamaica must steadfastly uphold goodness and reject all wickedness. Too many in our society support corrupt and unjust practices, which only bring about more suffering and divine retribution. Take action, embrace righteousness and community solidarity. Self-reflection. Each of us must look within and assess our actions. Are we contributing to the good of our community, or are we supporting harmful practices? Community vigilance. We must stand up against corruption and injustice in our communities. We must speak out and take actions against those who perpetrate harm. Spiritual renewal, embrace the teaching of righteousness and live by them daily. Seek guidance from Jah and align our action with divine principle. Support the vulnerable. Extend help and support to those affected by the hurricane and other injustices. Show solidarity, compassion to our fellow Jamaicans. So the message from our Rastafarian brother is a call to awaken our consciousness and take responsibility for our actions. The early hurricane is a sign that we must heed and act upon. We can create a better future for ourselves and our island by rejecting wickedness and embrace righteousness. Let us honor Jah's message, support one another and strive for just and compassionate society. So, yeah man, so that is a message from one of our Rastafarian brothers. So the man I say, boy, Jamaican I lose them way. Yeah, where him say Jamaican I lose them way because they might embrace things when I have nothing to do with we. Because they must say, oh, Jamaican for celebrate the 4th of July. When the 4th of July, take away the indigenous people them land in America. And as a genocide, millions. I must say, oh, if we celebrate that, I celebrate with our celebrate our own demise. Can't do that. Guys, and the same people them call Indian and Indian them are native. You understand? So just stay safe and remember to be a brother and sister keeper and watch your neighbor. Make sure you understand and we'll stick together as a community. Remember say zero sympathy for looters. Zero, and we are that to even all the police them. And stay safe to all our brothers and sisters out there of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Boy, those who are patriots. And remember, check on your matty, check on the retired cops them where you know them and them thing there. You understand? So have yourself a beautiful day. And stay dry and safe down here. But remember, looters them planning, Yeah man, Jamaica Young Police Channel out.